Here's a 2018 Audi Q7. It's equally adept at the everyday luxury you'd expect, along with the spirit you crave. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Turbo V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, streaming audio, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com explains Audi has managed a high-tech presentation without a sacrifice in comfort or warmth. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today. You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.